As a project manager, you're often responsible for overseeing multiple initiatives at the same time. Therefore, having a centralized place to oversee progress and monitor key performance metrics is essential to success. In this video, we will be covering TaskRay's portfolio view, which is designed specifically for this purpose. We'll review how to leverage this view in your daily workflows, explore its core functionality, and take a look at built-in insights. Portfolio View is an essential tool for every project manager. It provides a seamless experience for monitoring project performance by making vital metrics and insights readily available. Here, the projects are visualized in the familiar list format, enabling you to effortlessly monitor performance and get actionable insights. Without further ado, let's dive in and explore the main functions of Portfolio View. We'll start by applying a filter to refine the list of visible projects. Portfolio View incorporates a robust filtering mechanism, allowing you to focus on specific subsets of projects, such as for different teams or initiatives in your organization. TaskRay provides a set of standard filters for this purpose, but it is also possible to set up custom ones based on the needs of your workflow. We won't spend too much time on filters in this video, but make sure to check out our module on filtering to learn more. For now, let's select the commonly used standard filter, which is My Projects. This filter will pull in all projects where you are on the team, and it is a great option for getting a summarized view of your project portfolio. With the filter applied, let's explore the project table. By default, the table is configured to display main project details such as the project name, start and end dates, progress, and owner. That said, you have the flexibility to surface other fields from your projects if it is necessary for your workflow. To add or remove columns, click on the Settings cog in the top right corner of the view. For our example, we'll add the Account field as a new column. This will provide insight into which customer accounts are related to each project. Moving along, you can also sort the list of projects based on any of the column values. For example, this can be useful for planning purposes if you need to see which projects in the pipeline are scheduled to end soon. To change the sort order for this use case, simply click on the Estimated End Date column header and the projects will be reorganized accordingly. With the sorting applied, we can now see the projects that are scheduled to end the soonest at the top of the list. It is also possible to edit project field values directly from the table. For example, let's say you were looking at a list of projects and needed to update some of their statuses. Rather than opening up the project details pane, simply click on the status field that you would like to update and set the new value. Done! The last item we'll mention on the table is that certain project rows have chevron icons to the left of their names. These icons appear for projects that incorporate task groups as part of their structure. Using the chevrons, you can expand the project rows to view additional information. More specifically, you will see task group details, including their start dates, end dates, and progress. This is a great way to get a quick overview of how the project is progressing toward completion on a more detailed level. For our final topic, we'll explore Portfolio View's Insights functionality. We'll start by selecting a project using the checkbox next to its name. Once a project is selected, you'll see a red badge on the Insights tab on the right. As we expand the Insights tab, we can see a snapshot of key project performance metrics, including a summary of how the tasks are distributed across status lists, overall project completion, and details such as overdue and blocked tasks. The Insights tab includes several additional sections, including milestones, tasks at risk, and tasks by team member. You can use the Milestones section for a quick overview on how the key project deliverables are being met. If a milestone is behind schedule, its date will appear in red. Meanwhile, the Tasks at Risk section is useful for identifying tasks that are overdue or in a schedule conflict. You can use these insights as a starting point to resolve delays or other task-related conflicts. Finally, Tasks by Team Member can be used to get a quick snapshot of how the tasks are distributed across different members of the project team. To take it a step further, the Insights tab also allows looking at aggregate data for multiple projects. As we go through this use case, we'll leverage some of the previously reviewed functions of Portfolio View to showcase how everything ties together. Let's say you wanted to get summarized insights for all in-flight projects on a specific account. First, you need to select the project filter that aligns with the scope. For this purpose, you can use another standard filter, which is in-flight projects. Once the filter is applied, you can use the account column to sort the projects accordingly. Since this will organize the list based on account values, projects linked to the same account will be grouped together. In our instance, we'll use the checkboxes to select all projects for the Burlington account. Now that we've made our selections, the Insights tab will show aggregated information for all Burlington account projects. This allows us to see how everything is moving along for the customer, as well as identify any potential delays or roadblocks that might be hindering progress. Looking at the aggregate of projects, we can paint the full picture and gain a deeper understanding of everything that's being managed for the customer. As you can see, Portfolio Views centralize key project metrics right at your fingertips, including detailed insights and summarized performance indicators. Not only is Portfolio View simple to use, but it is also a robust analytics tool that will allow you to get quick and actionable insights that will keep your projects on the fast track to success. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this view. We have a strong feeling that it will come in very handy in your TaskRay journey.